Hey, I'm Chase+Jordan, and on this channel, I help people 37 years of age or older start virtual businesses from their sofas so they can go home, work from home forever. And we're going to talk about something very, very important today, and we're going to talk about the midlife business mindset. So you're 37, you're 47, you're 57, you're 67. It doesn't matter. I'm 49 as of this video. I'm old and gray, but I'm on YouTube, okay? We're going to talk about reinventing your work life after the age of 37 on this channel. So subscribe, do what you got to do, leave a comment, say hello, where are you from? I think that's very important for the algorithm to keep showing this for folks. Because look, I've been in your shoes. I was a person working very hard every day, driving an hour in, hour out of work, and I simply did not want to be there anymore. I wanted to do something. But I was old, at least I thought I was, and you might feel the same way. So today in this brief lesson, we're going to talk about the mindset. So before you even do anything, I'm all about safety and strategy. So at our age, we can't do what 20-year-olds do. We can't do what 27-year-olds do. We can't even do what 30-year-olds do. Because at 37 years or older, that's when I kind of started my journey, really getting into it. Now, I had studied forever. You might know that feeling. But I really want to show you and teach you what I went through, because I went through a lot of pain. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn what I did a crazy research over many years, and I invested over $150,000, and I bought every course and every guru thing out there, or just about, okay? It's hard to get them all, but every category, I went to the top people, and we invested this money. We studied everything. What works? What doesn't work? Who's a liar? Who's great? And I put it into a little bit of a web class. It's a short one, so you can go to new+business.com. I wouldn't go just yet. I'll remind you in a moment, but keep that in mind. It's a very, very short video, and I show you what I found out. And part of this series and this channel, we do a few things. We help you get to where you want to go. So where you are today, unhappy, the feelings of, man, I'm exchanging money for time. I want more time. I've maybe missed out on a lot of my family. I've missed out on my kids. I've missed out on mom and dad. I've missed out on a bunch of stuff because I've been working so hard. 1 job, 2 jobs, 3 jobs. Perhaps you're a professional and you're like, look, I'm a physician and I'm done. We have clients that are physicians that are now working virtually because they had it with going into the hospital every single day. As an example, we have servers from Applebee's that are doing wonderful things now. We have white collar, blue collar people from all walks of life, really understanding that you don't have to stay where you're at midlife. You can make the move. And it starts with, let me share my screen. It starts with your mindset. And this video is going to be short and sweet because I don't think you have to dwell too much about this. The first thing that we all feel, look at my hair. I'm gray. I'm wrinkled. I don't know. I'm heavier than I've ever been, right? Although I take care of my fitness, my age is catching up to me. The first thing we hear our clients talk about and what we help with is you're feeling that it's too late and you're stuck. Well, I'm here to say that your feeling of too late is your absolute superpower. And here's what I mean by that. I want you to transform too late with this is my strength. I am later in my life, therefore, that is my strength. That is the lesson of the day. You need to design that moment. It's not going to happen just automatically. It could. It did not for me. I had to design my moment where I realized that my age and my experience was my advantage because I was seeing 27-year-olds online. And I'm like, man, I can't be on YouTube. I'm not that polished. I don't look good anymore. This is just a disaster. Okay. Well, I did, through coaching, through a lot of development, through working, through investing over $150,000, we really understood that we got to change our mind midlife, 37 years, 47, 57 years old. And yes, right up to 77-year-old, 87-year-olds, people are online and they have virtual businesses. But before you can even start with the idea, like what will I do virtually, right? You have to build a product or a service. By the way, follow us, subscribe to this, because we constantly add these quick little videos to really get you motivated and get you in the right frame of mind. And look, I'm a guy that's done it and that's doing it today. And now we help people. But you can look us up just look me up on LinkedIn, Chase+Jordan. See that we have a lot of virtual businesses. We don't just teach this stuff. We actually do this stuff. So again, if you want to learn a little bit more about the study I did, $150,000 plus of investment, buying all the coaches and gurus out there and all the programs out there, go to newwebclass.com. I think you're going to like it. It's a lot of fun. There's a bunch of freebies and everything like that. So your takeaway today is this. If you're going to become a virtual worker, somebody that wants to work from home after the age of 37, you have to go through the midlife business mindset reboot. You have to completely change it over. In the next video, we're going to talk a little bit more about that because there's a little bit of work involved, but just take this as a takeaway. Feeling too late is your superpower. And you have to go, man, I'm a little bit later in life to go on social media and on places and post video, and you don't have to do any video. You don't have to do half the stuff they tell you to do, okay? Again, newwebclass.com will teach you all about that. But at the end of the day, you need to design the moment, and I'm asking you right now, right here, right now, my friend, you're here for a reason. Right now is your moment. Design it by choice. Right now, I am deciding that this is the moment that I realize that no matter what age I am, I can be online. I can work virtually from home for myself. I can have my own business. Absolutely. It's going to take a little bit of a mind shift. And in the next video, we're going to teach all about that. So keep watching the channel. Like this video. Share it if you think it would help someone, right? That's all I ask. These videos are not for free. Here's what I've learned. I've watched a lot of stuff in my life. If you watch this, there's a price to pay, and the price is a subscribe. So subscribe to the channel, do me a favor, and just like it, because it helps other people find us, just like you, just like I was, and we need the right information at our age. We cannot be playing any games. All right, so I hope this was useful for you. Go into the next video. I think you're going to like it a lot, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.